about to say smells new. This is what the box looks like. Oh my god, do I want you guys to see it first or do I want to see it first? I'm scared. Let me see it first, you know, so I can give you guys a little warning.
Oh my god!
Welcome back to my channel. This is ICEY, and if you didn't know that already, it probably means that you're new here, so you better subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can become a part of the ICEY gang. Yes, today's video we're going to be unboxing some sneakers. Yes, sneaker unboxing for the fall. You know, fall is right around the corner, and also it's been a minute since, you know, I cheated myself with, you know, I mean, probably not clothes because I'm always shopping for clothes, but it's been a minute since I treated myself to some new sneakers.
Really, nigga?
I have this friend, and she is always posting the most fire sneakers on Instagram. Always. And I hate her for it. She's always making me want to buy sneakers. Every time she posts sneakers, I am basically saving this into my fashion fits collection, saving it for later. Usually I don't end up buying these things that I save to my Instagram collections ever, but I've been thinking about these shoes for a while. It's probably been like maybe 9 months since I saw these sneakers and I have not bought them, but I was like, sis, treat yourself. It's been a while, you gotta do it. So not only did I treat myself to one, but 2 sneakers. Yes, like, I know, I mean, it's not really going overboard, but for the price, bruh, they ain't cheap. So the first ones we're gonna be unboxing are Air Force Ones, and then the second ones, they actually just released Air Jordan 3s. So you guys are gonna have to wait until the end of the video to see that one. But first, let me show you guys these Air Force Ones. The thing about Air Force Ones is I hate them. I actually don't like Air Force Ones at all. Especially the white ones that everybody and their mama be wearing. Oh my god. I'm the type of person, like, I don't like to wear what everybody has. Like, I hate doing that. And the thing is, I was this close to buying the all white ones just because there were certain outfits that I felt like needed them. I was wearing stacked pants the other day, and I'm just like, what shoes am I gonna be wearing with these? Like, the perfect shoes for these stacked pants are usually, you know, Air Force Ones. Unless you have another idea, but if you do, you better leave that in the comment section below. These Air Force Ones in particular are not white. We not doing that. We not trying to be like everybody else. They are so I actually had to take a sneak peek and look at it before, you know, I showed you guys on camera. Let me tell you guys the story behind these sneakers. It's like God didn't want me to have them. I don't know why. Like, what did I do wrong? But first, I ordered them from Nike.com. You know, did what I had to do, order them. They were like, okay, cool, it's gonna come. And then after that, they were like, oh, it's gonna be delayed. But I was like, okay, that's fine. I'm in no rush. I don't need them now. Plus, I also bought my brother some sneakers too, and they did the same thing, and he got it by his birthday. It was a birthday gift for him. So when they told me it was going to be late, I was like, okay, whatever, no problem. I don't need them now. And then the day that I was like supposed to receive them, or the day before I was supposed to receive them, they're like, oh, your order's canceled. I'm like, what? Canceled? I've been thinking about these sneakers for almost a year, and you have the nerves to tell me that it's canceled? Huh? You must not know who I am. Like, baby girl, no, that's not what we doing out here. It's been how long since I bought sneakers, and you want to tell me the ones that I want is canceled after you confirm my order and everything? You guys don't understand how fast I went back on that Nike website. I was like, canceled? Like, what do you mean canceled? So I had to go on there. I'm like, was it sold out? Did they not have enough? And guess what? Your girl went on the website, and guess what happened? Guess. It was still available, and it was available in my size too. And then the part I forgot to tell you about is that the first time I went on the website, it was not available. That was like before, you know, I placed my order the first time. So, you know, I was checking back all the time because Nike restocks. And this time it was available on the website. So I'm thinking in my head, what made you guys decide to cancel my order when you guys have them in stock? So I just went ahead and ordered them again. They did the whole same thing up, telling me that my delivery is going to be late, but I was like, okay, whatever. Just better get it here on time. I didn't actually think I was gonna get it. But it came. I couldn't contain my excitement, so I had to open it up. It's been a while since I've seen them, probably like I don't know how many days, because I haven't opened them up again. I haven't even tried them all. Like, these look so good to me. I'm just like, they don't, it's not even ready to be worn on floor. It's not. So let me show you guys what they look like. So these are called the Air Force One Low Sage. Yeah, the Air Force One Low Sage LX something something QR elemental P XYZ. Wait for it. This is a box they came in. You know, nothing special. I wear a size, well, I had to look at the box to figure out what my size was. I wear a size 7Y. So you know, my birthday is coming up in case you guys want to surprise me. Yes, it's around the corner. But yeah, I wear a size, actually this is a 7.5. Did they give me the wrong size? I'm pretty sure I ordered size 7. So now that means I have to try it on. It better be the right size, because I ain't playing with them. It says the color is light cream and black, and it's called the Air Force One Sage Low LX. You see, I got that right. Like, I remember that whole name. Ready? Come on now. Ah! Oh my god, they still cute like the first day that I saw them. Look at it. So this is what they look like. Oh my god, I love them so much. This is what they look like on the bottom. I didn't even realize that the, I don't know what is this called, the sole, that it's white. I thought it was all black on the bottom, but that's what they look like. Let me bring out the other ones. And I don't know if you guys understand how much I love the color gold, but look at them gold accents. Just look. Come on, camera. Focus, focus, focus. Is this what they, oh my god, it actually worked. This is what those beauty influencers do, right? You guys can see that? Look at them gold accents. Wow, I actually didn't think that was gonna make my camera focus, but it did. I'm gonna be like this. Yeah, but I'm just so obsessed with these. And I don't even know what this is called, but I love how the actual check is 3D. And more gold accents. This is the other shoe. I'm so obsessed. I didn't even tell my friend that I ended up getting them, but she's a bad influence, isn't she? Or maybe she isn't, because these look fire. I don't even want to wear them. I told you guys, I hate Air Force Ones, but these, I don't mind them if they're different. If I don't see anybody else that got them, I don't care. And I hope I don't see anybody else that gets them. I mean, you guys can get it. I give you guys my permission, you know? Just don't be in the same room as me. So pretty, right? Should I try these on for you guys? I don't even want to try them on. I feel like I should hang them somewhere. But inside, this is how the Nike logo looks on the inside. Ooh, I'm on light. Okay, better, right? This is how the Nike logo looks on the inside. So beautiful. The lighting was probably trash before, so I'm gonna show you guys again. No, I had to adjust the lighting real quick. Look at them. Ooh, 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 ooh. And this is perfect for the fall. Like, look at the color. You know, nude is in. I've been trying to build up my nude wardrobe. As you guys may already know based on what you've seen me wear, I'm always wearing things that are colorful. I don't know, but I'm starting to like this nude. Especially those nude loungewear sets. Oh, this is hard to do. How do these sneakerheads do this? Now these, well, I haven't even opened up the other ones, but I think I'm gonna like these better than the other ones. Dun, 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 dun. What else you guys want to see? The laces are so soft. You guys probably don't care about laces, right? Do they show, do the sneakerheads show you the laces? Do they do all of that? That's what the bottom looks like, the side again. My favorite part about these shoes, 3 things. I love the fact that it's nude, white and black. I love the 3D effect of the check. Like, who you know that got, you know, 3D Nike checks, whatever. Who you know? Tell me. Who? I'll wait. And then most of all, my Go accents on deck. In love. Should I try them on? I don't think I want to. I might have to save this for a special occasion, guys. We'll see. Maybe you guys might be that special occasion. Maybe in another video. Should I do a styling video on these?
Just listen.
Fire. On to the next ones. So let me put these back safely, gently. You're so beautiful. How did I live all these years without you in my life? I did actually buy Air Force Ones before. The last time I bought Air Force Ones, I ended up selling them. Maybe I'll put a picture in here. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought them. Like, I'm a little cuckoo in the head sometimes. They were colorful as F. So colorful. And at the time, like, I loved them so much. I never even wore them. I kept them in my closet for probably a good year until I was like, I'm never gonna wear these. They kind of look a little childish. But this is what I'm saying, like, when I buy things, like, I like to get things that nobody has. I'm definitely gonna insert a picture of them somewhere here. Just to show you guys, I have not opened this box at all. So this is the first time that we're gonna be seeing these sneakers together. And did I mention it? No, I didn't say the name at the beginning. But right now we are unboxing the Air Jordan 3s Laser Orange. And these are actually very much new. I think they came out last Friday. Yeah, so today is Friday. They came out last Friday. Did they? Yeah. So they came out last Friday. Today is Friday. This video is supposed to go up on Saturday. So that means the day after today, you know, if everything goes the way it's supposed to. But these sneakers are very much new. And we're about to say smells new. This is what the box looks like. And this is the size I got, size 7. Okay, let me open this up so you guys can see it. Ugh. Oh my God, do I want you guys to see it first or do I want to see it first? I'm scared. Let me see it first, you know, so I can give you guys a little warning.
Oh my God!
Okay. Yee. Oh, okay. Never mind. So let me show you guys. So what I was reacting to was, let me fix my lighting. So this is what it looks like just from opening this box. And at first I'm like, this looks so basic. I feel like I've seen these sneakers before, but they're actually kind of cute because look, let me take them out. I like this detailing. This is really cute. At first when I just saw this, I'm like, this is kind of basic, but I like this addition to it. But you know, I could have probably added this on my own, bought a little keychain, you feel me? But this is also perfect for fall. These yellows, you know, I kind of like it. Should I keep this? So this is what it looks like. They're kind of cute. Ooh. This is what the logo on the inside.
Just listen.
The shoelaces on the inside too. And this is what the bottoms look like. The side, the back. Yeah, I mean, at first I'm just like, this looks so basic. I feel like I've seen this shoe a million times on a million different people, but it's actually not that bad. I mean, I already warned you guys at the beginning. I feel like I'm gonna like the other ones more, but these are cute too. So I'm about to put them back in the box, both of them, and you know, save them for when the weather calls for. You know, we right there, we right around the corner. Fall is basically here at this point. I think I did a good job. I keep looking into the camera, but it's because I'm trying to look at the shoes. Like, this is my first time seeing these. So, you know, I'm kind of jealous that you guys are getting, you know, a more up close view than I am. So I'm trying to look at it at the same time while I'm showing you guys. I try my best to put it back. I don't know how you're supposed to put this back. Those were some of the sneakers that I ended up getting for the fall. You know, those two so far. There are tons more that I'm trying to get as well. You know, like those pine green Air Jordans, you know, those Air Jordan 1s, if you want to get it for me, because you know my birthday is around the corner. You know, just throwing it out there, speaking it into the universe. Universe, do you hear me? Those were the ones I got. I think they are cute for the fall. They go with fall colors and everything. You already know I love the Air Force Ones better than the Air Jordan 3s. I'm like, should I even keep the Air Jordan 3s? What do you think? Should I keep them? I don't know. They are cute though. I feel like I can come up with some fire fits for them, but I don't know. Let me know which ones you like or what sneakers you think I should add to my collection. It's been a minute, so I'm trying to build my way back up again. I was never a sneakerhead. I don't intend to be. I'm just trying to look cute out here in these streets. You feel me? That wraps up today's video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as well. And let me know in the comment section below. Did you guys enjoy this video? And what do you want to see next? But as always, I do want to thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Woo! Woo! Maybe I need to go outside.